Every year, billions of people unwrap a small golden sphere, a chocolate so luxurious and meticulously crafted that each bite feels like a revelation. That sphere is the Ferrero Rocher, celebrated for its perfect harmony of textures and flavors. It has become more than candy. It is a ritual, a symbol of indulgence, a jewel in the palm of the hand. Yet behind the shimmering foil lies a story few have ever seen, a story of global journeys, meticulous craftsmanship, and precision bordering on obsession. From cacao farms in tropical regions to high-tech European factories, every Ferrero Rocher is the product of a complex ballet of human skill and engineering. Each ingredient, from bitter cacao beans to delicate hazelnuts, is carefully sourced, inspected, and transformed through processes that blend science and artistry. This is not just a story about chocolate. It is a journey of innovation, dedication, and craftsmanship hidden behind a golden exterior. To witness the transformation from raw ingredient to iconic confection, viewers must stay until the very end. Before the journey begins, hit that subscribe button. One click ensures access to every secret, every stage, and every moment of wonder in the creation of these golden spheres. The story begins thousands of kilometers away, in tropical regions of Africa and Latin America, where cacao trees rise from fertile soil like sentinels of flavor. Each tree produces dozens of cacao pods, bursting with seeds that are raw, bitter, and far removed from the chocolate the world adores. Farmers harvest each pod with care, cutting precisely to avoid damaging the seeds inside. These seeds are collected and placed in wooden boxes to ferment, a process that transforms bitterness into depth, sweetness, and aroma. For 7 days, the beans rest under their own heat. Chemical reactions turn raw bitterness into complex notes of chocolate, subtle fruit, and earthy richness. Once fermented, the beans are sun-dried until they reach the perfect moisture level to preserve flavor during transport. Carefully packaged, they travel thousands of miles to European factories. Here, roasting, grinding, and refining turn humble beans into silky aromatic chocolate, ready to embrace its perfect partner, the hazelnut. Hazelnuts are no less extraordinary. Sourced exclusively from Italy, Turkey, and Chile, every nut is inspected individually. Only those perfectly shaped, without cracks or blemishes, proceed to roasting. Roasting is precise. Minutes at exact temperatures develop rich aroma, delicate crunch, and natural sweetness. Once roasted, hazelnuts are ground into a paste so smooth, it becomes the heart of the chocolate hazelnut filling, the essence of every Ferrero Rocher. Every aroma, texture, and nuance is calculated to perfection. The combination of chocolate and hazelnut is no accident. It is the result of decades of refinement and an obsession with excellence. If this glimpse into the origins already sparks awe, show appreciation by hitting the like button. Liking the video ensures more people can discover the craftsmanship behind a chocolate everyone thinks they know. With chocolate and hazelnut cream perfected, the process moves to the factory, where human skill and advanced machinery perform a precise ballet. Thin barkilo shells are formed with incredible accuracy. Each half sphere must be flawless, edges perfectly smooth, crispness carefully calibrated. A small dollop of hazelnut cream is placed at the center, followed by a single perfectly roasted hazelnut. Then the second half of the shell seals the sphere, creating a perfectly enclosed, bite-sized masterpiece. The spheres travel along conveyor belts into a cascade of molten milk chocolate. Within seconds, each is coated completely, and tiny pieces of toasted hazelnut are sprinkled on top, adhering instantly to the warm chocolate. The result is a uniform, golden-hued treasure, a confection so precise it could be mistaken for a jewel. Every Ferrero Rocher tells a story of cacao trees, careful hands, sophisticated machinery, and global journeys spanning continents. Yet perfection is not just about appearance. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control. High-speed cameras inspect every angle for cracks, irregularities, or imperfections. Technicians taste samples to confirm the perfect balance between chocolate, cream, and crunch. Only flawless spheres proceed to the final stage, wrapping in iconic gold foil. The creation of the sphere is only the beginning. To uncover how these golden chocolates become globally celebrated, continue watching. The next section reveals secrets hidden from almost everyone, where science meets artistry in ways that defy imagination. The golden wrapper is more than decoration. It preserves delicate textures, fresh crunch, and silky cream inside. Yet what sets Ferrero Rocher apart is the meticulous attention to detail invisible to the eye. Engineers calibrate machinery to fractions of a millimeter. Temperature, timing, and humidity are controlled to the smallest degree. Even a minor deviation could compromise texture or flavor. The scale of production is staggering. A single plant can produce over 2 million spheres every day, yet each maintains artisanal quality. This is a feat of engineering, logistics, and artistry. Every chocolate carries a story of human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of perfection. Even after decades, Ferrero continues refining every process. Small adjustments, constant testing, and careful observation ensure every Ferrero Rocher meets the exacting standards that have defined the brand for decades. The next stage will show how these golden spheres, perfected through science and craft, finally reach the hands of consumers, turning a simple chocolate into a global icon. If fascination is rising and curiosity is mounting, don't go anywhere. The final section reveals how this chocolate becomes a symbol of celebration and indulgence worldwide. Finally, the golden spheres emerge, wrapped and boxed, ready for their journey. Trucks, ships, and planes transport them to over 120 countries, delivering a consistent, luxurious experience to millions. Ferrero Rocher is more than candy. It is a ritual, a celebration, and a bridge connecting people across continents. Families unwrap them at holiday tables, friends exchange them during special occasions, and every bite carries the story of labor, precision, and dedication from thousands of miles away. What makes this chocolate so irresistible? Is it the perfect balance of textures, the harmony of flavors, or the intricate story hidden in every bite? The answer lies not only in the ingredients, but in the journey itself, the meticulous craftsmanship, the engineering, and the obsession with quality. Now that the entire journey has been revealed, from the first cacao bean to the golden foil in your hands, the question is, what amazed you the most? Which detail changed the way you see chocolate forever? Share your thoughts and debates in the comments below. Your input becomes part of the story, contributing to a global conversation about one of the most beloved confections on the planet. Every comment, insight, and reflection adds to the legacy of Ferrero Rocher, a chocolate that connects the world, one golden sphere at a time.